everybody, and welcome to our new YouTube channel, Ripping with Retro Mike. And today, we have kind of one of the newer mystery items that are out there. And they are offered by a company called sportscards.com, and they are both unique and interesting in their own special way. Let's start with the black, get you a nice center here, the black vintage box. We are guaranteed for the price of, let's see here, $39. We are guaranteed in this box one Hall of Fame, one star card, vintage, nice shape, in a magnetic card case. And people have been saying a lot of good things about this deal, that you actually get yourself a very nice card in here. So without further ado, we're going to open this box up and see what our vintage card is. And I believe it's a really nice magnetic case that it comes in. Yes, it is. Very nice. Very, very nice magnetic case that it comes in. You open it up. Got the foam. Ooh, Hank Aaron. That looks to be a 19... Get you a nice shot at 1976 Topps. Hank Aaron. Very, very nice card. Very nice. Little top, bottom, off center, but nice sharp corners. Not a bad card at all. Not a bad, I'm happy with that. Not a bad, you don't usually see them, this clean. You usually don't see them this clean. And this was, let's see, yeah, this was $39. I had 10% off. So, makes for a nice deal. We'll put that aside. Now let's move on to what we have here. We'll set up Hank over here. Gotta have Hank. Hank, he wants to watch. I want to watch. So we're gonna open up, go on to our number. What this is a Jersey Fusion card. Some type of game-used Jersey card. Guaranteed to be star quality, a name brand star, but who, you do not know. So we'll get going, and again, it comes in a nice magnetic case, and this is $29, $29.95. Slide this off. Again, magnetic, very nice magnetic case, just like Hank came in. And let's see, who do we have here? That actually, and this is an all sport. This is an all sport product, but I didn't know it included NASCAR. But we have a Jersey Fusion here, and it is Dale Earnhardt Jr. Very, very nice looking card.
Yes.
Very nice looking card. I did not know it included NASCAR. But there you have it. You've got the vintage card. The only critique I'll give with Hank, if you look really, we'll get you, see if we can get you in that close or not, without glare. But if you look really close, at the lower edge, it's a little rough. Centering, I can live with that, but that lower edge is just a little rough right here. Sharp corners, but that's my only critique. Now, the Jersey, this Fusion card, very, very nice. Just a darn good looking. And as you can see, the pieces they used for the Jersey, just a darn nice looking card.
Yes!
That is a, see, premium, is that a press pass? That is a really nice card. Very nice card. Would I recommend them? Would I try them again? Sure, why not? Life is short, who doesn't like a little surprise in their life? But, there you go. That was our experience with sportscards.com. And we just wanted to share that with you. And please be sure to tune in to all future videos that we may have. And please subscribe. The more subscribers we have, the more we enjoy your company. And again, just want to wish you a good evening. And thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.